Mm. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the first day in the life of Vlogmas. First things first, I have to go to work, so we're up early to make some breakfast, and then we're gonna get dressed and go to work. Okay, so because I actually just made this yesterday, I forgot to cut number 1. So we're gonna cut number 1 and number 2 because it's now the second. So, boom, boom, every day. Oh yeah, that's also the other advent calendar I was talking about that my sister and I share. So day 2, boom. Okay, I'm up, I'm dressed, so I'm now gonna make breakfast. I have a bowl of oats every morning because I'm boring and I don't need to change my breakfast. Excuse you, bird. Very loud. But yeah, so I'm just gonna make breakfast. Bam. In case you're wondering, I do put sugar on it. I mean, not necessarily the healthiest thing, but it tastes good, so. Okay, time to leave. It's raining. I'm not enjoying this. It's been raining all week. Yeah. Okay, whew, we're in the car. Time to go to work. Okay, I am officially late because everyone was driving at frigging 40 kilometers per hour. But that's cool because I am here. I just need to do my hair. So, we're just gonna have to wait. Alright, work's done. Normally I would go to the gym, but the weather's kind of meh, so I just don't want to. But I am gonna put on my hoodie because this is not warm enough. Okay, so I got a message saying that my package had arrived. So I just finished work and we are on the way to go and get my package. Because it's at my house. Yay! Bro, I actually can't. So, we must have just gotten a boatload of packages today. My sister must have ordered something or whatever, but we've had one postie that actually put it by our front door. But I think the rest were scared by our gorgeous little puppies. Oh, Bob! Which are fully contained, by the way. They can't get to the posties, but... And why I say they must have been scared of the dogs is because... They threw the packages onto our balcony. Oh, what? First of all, one, who does that? Second of all, I just laugh because I can just imagine some postie just be yeet and throwing all the packages onto our balcony. You know what? Fair play. If they didn't know that the dogs were contained, fair play. But what? They're literally all for me. I can't even hold them all. Blech. There's 4 packages. I don't even know what I bought. But they're all for me. So I just opened the first one and it was my wigs, which is good because that means I can actually do one of the videos that I'm planning to do later on for Vlogmas. But what I've realized is that one of these packages is actually semi-fragile, which means one of the packages that they yeeted onto my balcony is fragile. So let's pray it's not broken. Okay, she was bubble wrapped. She was Gucci. So I ordered this cute little corset dress and it actually finally arrived. I'm not going to promote the company because it actually took forever. But I've also got 2 other wigs that also arrived, so I might do a little try on. I'm actually so disappointed. First of all, wig, phenomenal. It's set in the middle part currently, and we all know I don't suit middle parts. But besides that, phenomenal, love it, boom. But this is supposed to be a sexy corset dress. First of all, this has an uneven amount of eyelets. There's 6 on the side, 5 on the side, no, 6. 5? 5, I can count. There's 5 on this side, and there's 6 on this side, and it's also way down there, like, it doesn't work. And this is meant to be a dress. I'm sorry. My ass ends there. It's not a dress. And it's also just, like, how am I supposed to style this out? Especially when I have an uneven eyelet just sticking out. And I still have another package coming from this company. Because the other package that I have coming, I actually bought first. And somehow this one's arrived. I was told it was like an okay company, but it's not. Zero. Bruh. At least on its own, you can kind of like style it out at like as, you know, like a comfy, like obviously I look like I'm built like a fridge, but you can style it out like a comfy, you know, whatever, but it's supposed to be a fashion forward dress. It's not a dress. Okay, after all of that little drama, I just had a shower and got changed and sue me speedy. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for my skin to settle down a little bit and then we're gonna do some makeup. Because I saw this TikTok the other day and I really love this makeup that this girl did. She was like trying looks from Pinterest that she had seen and things like that. So I'm going to do that. If I can find the original video, I'll give credits in the description. But if not, then I'm sorry, but credits to that girl. So yeah, I guess you'll see me doing that. Jokes. I sat on the couch for I think 3 hours. No, 2 hours. Just 2. Just 2. Now we're going to go downstairs and do the TikTok makeup thing after a coffee, because we all know coffee runs my bloodstream. Ta-da! So yeah, this was my final makeup look. Let's get a little, oh damn. Yeah, I won't go any lower because this, you know, it's not actually a dress. Yes, I did put this awful thing back on because it's cold. And then I was like, I have to do a photo shoot. So I'm trying to make it work, but it's still not a dress. She looks good. She looks good. But anyway, now that that's all done, I'm just going to sit down for a little while, maybe watch some YouTube and edit. I do a lot of behind the scenes stuff. So I film on the weekends, edit on the weekends, and then post on Wednesdays. I also film my podcast on Sunday, which you should check out. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. And then I also upload those on Friday. And obviously I do the Instagram, TikToks, blah, 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 blah. So I do a lot behind the scenes, which would be super awesome if I got a bunch of you guys, you know, from doing this Vlogmas and things like that, because I've got some sick ideas that I want to do in the future, but obviously money's always a problem when you're not doing this as a full-time job. So maybe one day, if we can get more followers and things like that, I can do some more crazy ideas, because Lord knows I have some. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. I don't know why you wouldn't be, because this channel's amazing. Okay, so it's now 8:03 and I have edited... It's now 8:03 and I've edited yesterday's vlog, so you saw it yesterday, but obviously it's going up now-ish. Yeah, so I've just edited that, and I feel like this is a good place to stop the vlog, because not much is really going on after, you know, 8 PM. Look how bright it is still though, like it's literally 8:03 and it still kind of looks like it's, you know, 5 o'clock. So I'm gonna go make myself some dinner. I've got my little coffee right here. If any coffee company wants to reach out to me, I will rep your coffee, honestly. If there's one thing I will rep, like no questions asked, it's coffee. Coffee is my life. But anyway guys, make sure to check out tomorrow's video. Whether or not I'm actually doing the 12 days or 24, I don't know yet. I might end up with 17 videos, who knows. We'll just have to see how it goes. Obviously this is my first time doing Vlogmas, so it's all trial and error. So I shall catch you guys in the next one. But no, it's either tomorrow or the day after that. So please check them out and tell your friends that I'm doing Vlogmas, or, you know, whoever. Spread the word. Anyway, peace.